Foundations Test Unit 11. We will begin with sounds. You are going to listen to one video that will tell you all 5 sounds to type. You will type each sound in its own answer box. Sound number 1. What says E? We've learned 6 ways to make the E sound, like in me, eat, Jeep, key, baby, and Pete. Sound 2. What says A? We know 4 ways to make the A sound, like in safe, acorn, bait, and play. Sound 3. Write the OR sound, like in horn and more. Type the letters that make the OR sound. Sound 4. What says ch, like in chin? Ch. Sound 5. What says y, like in yellow? Y.